Okay.
Is Grace Freeman in y'all's class?
So yesterday we had left off. We left off up here. There was a secant line, and we figured out that if we brought these two together, that it just crosses it at one point. So it became a tangent line.
Miss Sandy, do you have my packet?
No.
Or do you have my packet? Because I don't know where it is.
I actually don't have a copy.
Because mine disappeared. Hey, you might actually get to write something.
Hang on.
Write notes. Like we used to.
I'll figure out something.
I don't remember doing it. You I had a stroke in between pen and now. And I don't have the. And she forgot.
Wait, so what's y'all's story though? Why is that
I don't think I. Well, we did a little switch because everyone's heard the story.
Oh,
So now.
Oh, good.
He goes to the know.
Okay.
He proposes.
Oh, okay. That
They
makes
get married.
sense.
She finds out.
Okay.
She
So
takes
now
him out,
we're
and then
moving
the
on.
new girl.
What does the limit as h approaches 0 of that represent? So this, we said, represented the slope of a secant line. So if now we're doing the limit as h approaches 0, so as it turns into a line that looks like that, what is this representing?
Tangent.
The something of a tangent line. The slope.
Tangent.
The slope of the tangent line.
I think they've had a stroke since like 8th grade.
I didn't pay attention in 8th grade. I didn't care.
Formed
Okay, is anyone surprised?
when x, f of x, that point, and the other point,
Which one's the tangent one? The one that just only hits one point.
yes. It's when these two right here, become the same point. They get closer and closer together. And then that line up top there, the tangent line, that's only touching at one spot.
I didn't draw that line.
No, I just drew it.
I was like, no wonder I was confused.
So we're going to suppose that f of x is this actual equation, which, looking at it, look, it's an upside down parabola. Could be that equation. We're going to find the limit of that as h approaches 0. So what do I do?
Do you scroll up?
Is that good? Sorry.
Yeah.
How do I find f of x plus h?
Plug that in for f of x.
Yes. So in place of x, I put x plus h. Then minus f of x. What's f of x?
That formula.
That formula, yep. X squared minus 4x plus 1. Don't forget I'm subtracting that whole thing, so that's why I put parentheses around it.
Oh, so that wasn't part of the problem. I don't know what I thought it was. I thought that was just a random negative there.
Oh, no, it's part of the problem. That's what makes that parabola point down up there.
I literally looked at it. I was like, wait, that's two negatives. Wouldn't that make it a positive? And I was like, why is there just a random negative?
Oh, well, you know what? I didn't put that random negative here, though.
So now it is.
Wait, where?
It's negative x squared minus 4x. I left it out.
Okay, so I wasn't crazy. I was like, why did I just randomly put a negative there?
No, you're right.
She would have made me think that you were crazy.
Yeah, I know. I was like, am I going crazy?
X plus h squared. We FOIL it, use shortcut. X squared
2x.
plus 2xh plus h squared.
That's all negative.
It is, that's why. I still have the parentheses there, but yes, you're right. Then we distribute the negative 4. Got minus 4x minus 4h. Still plus 1.
Plus x squared plus 4x.
Minus 1.
Yep, distribute the minus sign. You get plus x squared plus 4x
One's
minus
cancel.
1.
Your x squared is canceled.
Oops.
Ooh, 4x cancel.
The x squared.
All over h.
The 1's canceled, the 4x is canceled, the x squared is canceled.
Yeah, a lot of stuff cancels.
Oh, you just haven't got it.
No, I'm behind.
I just do it right here. And then
Yeah.
I have a new one.
I just know what you
Okay.
Oh, you can take out a 4, H.
Well, yes.
We're a little bit ahead.
Yeah, that's okay. So the x squareds cancel the 4x's and the 1's.
You only got that little bit there.
All over h.
And then what?
Leaving us with the limit as h approaches 0 of, I'm going to factor out of h. So negative 2x minus h minus 4 all over h.
Those will cancel.
Yep, h is canceled. And then you plug in 0 for h. So it's negative 2x minus 4. Well, who is right?
We did it. We did it. Are you recording?
Yeah. Yep. So it says here, your result to the previous limit is defined to be the derivative. By the way, this, does anybody remember how to say that?
Wait.
F.
No.
The
F
derivative-
prime, yep.
F prime.
F prime.
Oh,
I was right.
You said F prime?
She did. F prime of x. So when you read that, you say F prime of x. So your result so this negative 2x minus 4 is F prime of x of the function. So we're going to figure out what that means in terms of the graph. So F of x is this, and we just found F prime of x, which was this.
Can't we do this last year?
I'm sorry, what?
Can't we do this last year?
Uh-huh. Yes, we did.
The only thing I remember apparently.
Yeah, I don't even remember this.
You will once we get into the shortcut, and then you'll be like, oh, yeah.
I remember
that
that
symbol.
symbol. I don't remember doing it.
I forgot why we, like, what was the purpose of
Yes.
There's no purpose.
No, there's definitely a purpose.
I mean, it's math. For math teachers, maybe.
No, for everything.
Well,
Everything.
For everything.
Everything. Okay, so
Like
your
for walking
result
down
of that
I mean, if you're real math.
is a function in terms of x, and the graph of x is pictured below. So here's our picture that goes with that negative x squared minus 4x plus 1. And we're going to complete the chart for the values of f prime of x.
with the graph of F.
Huh?
We're going to complete the chart
With f prime.
but we only have the graph of
But we know what f prime is.
Yeah, we have the formula. We just plug it in for the formula.
Yeah.
And then we're going to make the graph of the yes sign.
Yeah, we're going to use these points. So f prime of negative 4, you just plug that in.
4.
Okay. Y'all go ahead and do the other ones.
she said, okay, you got this.
You got this. I don't feel like I
So
have.
the best part is I didn't even finish. I wasn't really sure if I was correct. I just could have said it.
0.
Yep.
Is it F? Oh, it's not negative 1.
did it.
Woohoo! So now I'm going to give you a ruler.
Oh.
I'm going to loan you a ruler. I'm not going to give you.
Do you remember taking how to do this?
Well, maybe I am.
Oh, this is gonna be a weird graph.
Well,
Oh, that makes more sense. Okay,
not
that's
saying the password.
I got too far.
I had a bucket.
A bucket?
I had a bucket.
But the bucket disappeared.
The bucket may have kicked the bucket. Oh, I'm so funny. I know, right?
You
Man,
should-
I've had this bucket since college.
Where do you think it went? Where was the last spot?
Do you leave it at college? So what'd you use the bucket for?
It was actually that your parents sent, like, little snacks and stuff in it.
Oh.
Yeah, it was really sweet.
Well, I would have kept
And it's gone.
I'll help.
What color is the bucket?
It's blue.
Oh, wait, I saw the bucket yesterday. Or like when
Not
I was on
this
my
one.
calculator. I was gonna say.
No, it has a bunch of, not that one. It's an actual metal bucket.
It's a metal
Hey, is that
bucket.
it? Oh, that's a drink.
We're trying to
Why do
find
you
it,
have
I
a Yeti?
swear.
You know what? Here we go. Wait, I got rulers. That's what I really needed.
I know, but that said you can't find a bucket.
Anything to stop class, right?
I mean,
Here you go. Take these. It's okay.